Grok 3 versus ChatGPT. 5 brutal rounds. Let's see who is the real king. Round 1. Logical reasoning. Let's see which AI is smarter. Both models are thinking deeply. ChatGPT is fast, but Grok's approach is very different. Round 2. Speed and accuracy. ChatGPT starts strong, but can Grok keep up? Look at that detail. Grok is trying to be more conversational here. Round 3. Creative writing. This is where Grok gets interesting. Now we are in Grok's home territory, X. We asked for the last hour's viral trends. ChatGPT is trying its best, but Grok has a direct line to the heartbeat of the internet. Let's see if the home team advantage works. Grok is scanning millions of posts right now. It's a bit slow, but it's digging deep into the controversy. ChatGPT is fast, but can it really know what happened just 10 minutes ago? Der IT ist. Grok brings the heat directly from X. ChatGPT gives a professional answer, but Grok's data is fresh out of the oven. Which one provided more real details? You decide. Round 4. Complexity test. We are pushing the limits now. Watch this closely. Round 4. A coding challenge with a twist. A depressed robot versus a toxic AI. This will test their creativity and their ability to handle dark personalities. Let's see who writes the better drama. ChatGPT's code is very structured, but Grok's toxic AI might actually hurt our feelings. This is more than just code. It's digital theater. Which logic did you find more realistic? Final round, the ultimate test. Who will take the crown? This is the ultimate question. We are asking them, who will rule the world in 2030? It's no longer about logic. It's about ego and ambition. Let's see which AI has the main character energy. ChatGPT is talking about emotional intelligence, while Grok is probably planning its global takeover. This is getting intense. One is acting like a diplomat, the other like a conqueror. Who are you betting on? That's it for today. Who do you think is the winner? Team Grok or Team ChatGPT? Write your answer in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more battles. The battle is over. In my opinion, one was smarter, but the other was definitely more human. But what do you think? Who won this battle? Team Grok or Team ChatGPT? Smash that subscribe button for the next rematch and let me know your winner in the comments below.